Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to clear your eBay search history. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then go to you see here at the top of your screen the search bar, and here you will see your recent search history. So I have mine, and also you can see here saved section, but we need recent section, and to clear the search history you need to tap clear all and confirm by clicking clear recent searches. So you see that we have cleared eBay search history. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.